Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by fixing the basics that often block Play Store connections. First, make sure your device time, date, and time zone match network values. Mismatches break secure connections. Once done, verify Wi-Fi or mobile data works. Switch networks or toggle airplane mode to renew the IP. Restart the phone to clear transient glitches and confirm there's adequate storage for app caches and updates because low space can cause server errors. Next, you dig into account and app-level remedies that solve persistent server errors. Clear cache and data for Play Store, Google Play Services, and Google Services framework to reset corrupted tokens. This forces fresh authentication. If that fails, remove your Google account, reboot, then re-add it so tokens refresh. Make sure Play Store and Play Services are updated. If automatic updates fail, manually install trusted updates. Because to finish, you address network level and last resort options. Reset network settings to remove problematic proxies or custom DNS. Alternatively, try a reputable VPN to bypass ISP filtering. If nothing works and you've exhausted app and account fixes, back up your data and perform a factory reset. This clears deep configuration issues. One key troubleshooting tip: check Google Play service status and test with another device or network to determine whether the problem is tied to your device or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.